Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting essential facts: device model, OS version, carrier, and IMEI, because you'll need accurate targets for fixes. Next, power down and remove the SIM, reseat it carefully, or swap with a known good SIM to isolate the card versus phone. Once done, restart the device and toggle airplane mode for about 10 seconds to force a fresh network scan. These actions quickly differentiate simple SIM or registration problems from deeper network faults. Now address configuration and software causes. Reset network settings. This wipes saved Wi-Fi but restores radio defaults, so backup passwords. If automatic selection fails, manually choose the carrier to force re-registration and verify or re-enter APN details so data can connect. Install any pending OS or carrier updates, as fixes often arrive that resolve registration bugs. If instability persists, boot into safe mode to rule out apps interfering with radios. This narrows software versus hardware issues efficiently. Finish by checking hardware and carrier-side problems. Inspect the SIM tray and antenna area for corrosion or bent pins. Replace the SIM if there's visible wear, because a faulty SIM often masquerades as network failure. Contact your carrier to confirm provisioning, blocks, or outages, and request a network refresh from their end. If signal strength is still abnormal, run radio logs or take the device to a repair shop to test RF components. This single troubleshooting tip often exposes a failed antenna or baseband chip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.